A freestanding prep table can transform a big family kitchen into a flexible workspace for baking, crafts, and feeding children. Start by choosing the right footprint and height for your household needs. Measure aisle clearances so at least 3 feet of walking space remains around the table when placed in its intended spot. For a movable island on casters, pick heavy-duty locking wheels rated for the expected load and mount them to reinforced corner blocks. Use 4 caster locks so the unit cannot creep during active prep. If you expect heavy use for canning or large sheet trays, consider a stainless steel table with an adjustable undershelf for airflow and easy cleaning. Seal all welded seams with food-grade silicone where needed. For a warmer look and cutting performance, choose a thick end grain or edge grain butcher block top and treat it with multiple coats of food-safe mineral oil, followed by a wax finish for water resistance. Integrate practical storage like undershelf bins, a drawer for measuring tools, and a utility rail with hooks for utensils and a mounted paper towel holder so everything stays within reach. Common mistakes include choosing fixed feet that make a large table immobile and hard to reposition, which you can avoid by specifying lockable casters and spacing the wheels to maintain stability. Another issue is using a soft wood top without protection that dents and stains easily, so choose a dense hardwood or stainless steel top and maintain it with regular oiling or surface sanding as appropriate. A third common problem is cluttered edges or no clear child-friendly zones, which leads to unsafe spills. Solve this by dedicating one end for kid activities with rounded corners and a removable placemat, and keeping knives and hot tools on the opposite side or in a lockable drawer. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with contractors and project ideas specifically for large multi-purpose kitchen fixtures like prep tables. We feature a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share plans, tips, and local recommendations, so we help people find work and find trusted local help.